In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add e-signature to Excel. By the end, you will have a proper signature line inside your worksheet that someone can actually sign. Start by opening your Excel workbook. Once it loads, you should see your usual grid of cells with column letters along the top and row numbers down the side. Make sure you are in the worksheet where you want the signature, not in a different tab, so the signature ends up in the correct place. Next, click where you want the signature line. This means selecting a single cell near the spot where a signature would normally go, often near the bottom of a form or report. You will see a green border around the selected cell, which confirms where the signature line will be anchored on the sheet. Now go to the Insert tab. Look along the top of Excel and click Insert in the ribbon. The ribbon content will change, and you should now see groups like tables, illustrations, add-ins, and text. This is where Excel keeps tools for adding extra elements to your sheet beyond plain numbers and formulas. From there, look for the text group, then click Add a Signature Line, and choose Microsoft Office Signature Line. In many versions, this appears as a small icon with a pen and a line. When you click it, a menu opens, and selecting Microsoft Office Signature Line opens a new dialog window on top of your workbook. If you miss and click another text command, just cancel and try again until that signature setup box appears. In the signature setup window, enter the signer information such as name, title, email, and any instructions. The name is the person who should sign, the title might be their role like manager, and the email helps identify them if you are sending the file around. In the instructions box, you can briefly say how or why to sign, for example, sign after reviewing all data. Take a moment to check spelling here, because this text appears directly under the signature line in the worksheet. Once the information looks right, click OK. The dialog closes, and back on the worksheet, you should now see a signature line object in the cell area you selected earlier. It usually shows an X, the word signature of, and the signer name you entered, along with any instructions in smaller text. To sign, double-click the signature line. A Sign dialog box opens. Here you can type your name for a quick, clean text-style signature. If your setup supports drawing, you can draw your signature with a mouse or touch input for a more handwritten look. You can also choose to insert an image of your real handwritten signature if you have one saved as a picture file. After choosing how you want to sign, click Sign. The signature line now shows your signature, and Excel treats the workbook as signed. If you have a digital certificate installed, Excel also attaches a digital signature behind the scenes, which helps verify that the workbook has not been changed since signing. You have now added a proper Office signature line and signed it in Excel, giving your workbook a clear, professional electronic signature. If this helped you get a clean signature into your sheet, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more Excel tips.